In this video, I'm going to show you how I make Gemini give me the best answers possible. What I mean by the best answers possible, like it's not just basically keeping up with me or trying to satisfy me because it's just for commercial purposes. You want to make him basically tells you the positives and the negatives of everything he's saying or he's suggesting, right? Basically to have a critical mind, critical thinking. So Gemini have this option of customizing how Gemini will respond by giving it instructions. So you're gonna find actually a lot of instructions that people post online to make any model basically output better answers. But I guess this one is the best because I've chosen a little bit of everything, and it gives amazing answers, critically thoughtful answers. Because now you're basically ordering him to give you the positives and negatives of everything he's saying, right? So I'm going to leave this in the description. You can just copy it, and the way to go to this feature, you're going to go to the settings and then personal intelligence, right? And then you can find memory, and you need to go for instructions for Gemini. And then if you don't see this, you can click add, and it will be showing this basically box here that you can copy the prompt here or the instructions. And that's it. So please subscribe for more amazing tutorials on artificial intelligence and any new informations that will be so helpful for you.